This is for the
with
pneumatic.
glass plates.
This is
No, this is for to using foils.
aluminum foil.
This is for.
Yes.
Because the reason is some foils when they are spraying on the foils they are getting.
But this is for foil for this,
Yes.
and this is a foil for the pneumatic. I think so.
Could be, yeah, because I don't know
Yes.
what we have to change. Maybe this is for
For pneumatic.
Linomat 5.
For
Maybe,
foils.
Yeah. That's
And this is for the. This is for
yeah,
for
This is
foils.
possible, yeah. Because I want to
I-
show the different. Maybe that we had in some form a problem that it was crashed. I don't know if it's what. No, it belongs not to this one. Right? It's not working here. Yeah. Then we use this one. You're right.
You can put it this way.
Only this is made for the foil holder.
That's it.
Genau, exactly. And this is for Linomat 5 because now the Linomat 5 have the same plate. Only that we have no base plate. Now the base plate is on the bottom.
But sorry, this is for what?
For foils.
For foils.
Aluminum foil.
Aluminum foils.
Aluminum foils.
Foil plates.
Because the foils.
Yeah.
And what is very important, always if the waste bottle is full, also in the empty, there's no auto detection if it's coming to the limit. If you don't forget this and it's full up to the bottleneck, and it's sucking, the vacuum is sucking and blow it in the exhaust of the backside. Right, one time I was in the Valles, there was a customer that forgot to change and the liquid was sucking because there's a vacuum inside and was sucking because it was like until the bottleneck and was sucking and the exhaust everything on the backside on the wall everything was full with waste.
No detector.
There's no automatic detection.
Ah.
You have to check
One
this.
screw for the
And also for the solvent.
No, different.
If the solvent bottle is empty, like here, there's no detection. That means if you have this,
If you don't have solvent,
only what is auto detected is here.
it's smaller.
This
This
part.
is smaller.
And what is also not
This is
detected is the volume of the syringes and the needle. That is also important.
But you have to change it here. You have to indicate the volume
Yeah.
and the type of needle.
It's only a small preview to show you because then we start theoretical aspects because this is a little bit more dry information of the presentation, but this is what I want to say. That is here what is for the ATS4. And then we have here on the side, we have the controlling parts, we have here the interface, switch on the side, and on the back side. Thank you.
Put them in there.
Yes. The needle you can give to me, please. What is very important, what I say always remember, and what I mentioned is what is very important is the procedure because to fill the vials, you see the vials here. Some of them they have a scale, yeah? And some of them they have no scale. And what I recommend is also scale. Not to fill,
This scale.
but some of them they have no scale. Not to fill over this part, not higher than to the. Yes, exactly. Not higher than the bottleneck start because you must know the septum puncher is coming, it's punching through, and if it's too high, the liquid it's contaminating.
Okay.
Outside it will be clean, but inside it's contaminated. And if you go to the next one, because they have a carryover.
So the level is going to have to be here.
Yeah.
The
That's
maximum
what
level.
also is very important to say, not to fill too much inside.
Okay.
Maximum is the scale.
To the scale.
Yeah,
Okay.
not more, because the puncher goes inside,
It's broken.
goes
Okay.
back, but is outside is contaminated. Will be cleaned from the septum, but inside is still contaminated. And when the needle goes back, it's in and outside cleaned. But if you go to the next one, it could be that you have carry over for the next
It's
application.
dangerous.
Yeah, this was
That's
too long inside.
Dangerous for punching needle.
Yes. So when
You need a
I
cream
know
also,
because
yeah?
Yes.
Just to cream this
Yes.
one.
Yes,
You
cream.
need a-
This is similar for HPLC.
HPLC.
Yes,
Yeah.
it is the same.
if you use this, please always remember some of the guys from the laboratories put the completely unit inside the refrigerator. This is okay, but if you put it inside and the septum is very frozen or
Yes.
even is very
Too
hard,
strong.
it's very hard for the
Puncher and needle.
puncher to go through,
Yeah.
and that's sometimes the reason that this puncher is
Broken.
very soon is
Damaged.
damaged or is too much used. And to avoid this, after put it out of the refrigerator, put a new
Acá no se puede usar con la septa partida, ¿no?
on it.
Precortada.
With
Hay
touch of
septas
the
precortadas.
Sí, pero
Normal, ¿no?
Okay.
Mm.
I think so. And then also look that the septum puncher is always sharp enough.
Ujú.
El septum punch está diseñado para que sea septa completa,
Mm.
pero se puede utilizar la otra. Sin problema.
Because if it's not sharp enough, you have to change this. That's very important. These are the highlights because I think that's it. I have to know. Very important is this that with the scale here. I don't put not too
Yeah.
much. And what is important that on the back side, this is reduced vacuum is working because otherwise it will sucking you the completely bottle.
Found
We
it.
found it?
I found one, this cup.
We found it from here.
I think it's not the same.
Mhm.
Try it.
Yeah, it's okay.
Try.
Try
No,
it.
it should be same.
I think it's a bigger one. You need a big one.
Should.
We delivered at the beginning from Camag Hptlc, we delivered some of the bottles of the vials with the delivery. Also we delivered some tools to change the septum puncher, and there's a spare part septum puncher for replacement. And in the standard we have a 25 microliter for starter kit. We have 25 microliter syringe together with one spray and one contact application needle delivered with the spot.
Should remove this first.
Be careful.